Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an awesome time. So today I got a quick tutorial on how to properly export in Final Cut Pro 10 for YouTube. So without wasting any more time, let's get to the video. So the first step is open Final Cut Pro 10. And once you're in Final Cut Pro 10, we are going to click on the share icon on the top right corner. Make sure your project that you want to export is already selected. If it's not selected, you can do that by going into the browser and just clicking on the project that you're working on. So once your project is selected, what we're going to do is we're going to click on the share icon. There are two ways. So one way is by clicking on the share icon, or if you don't like to do this, you can go in the Final Cut Pro menu, in files and share. It doesn't matter which one you use, as both of them are the same. What usually people do or creators do, which goes wrong, is they just click on the master file, which is the default. Sure, it's nothing wrong in exporting a file for master file. However, if it's a master file, it's a big file, so it's going to take lots of space on your hard drive. And along with that, when you're uploading a video that was exported on a master file to YouTube, it's going to take a lot of time for YouTube to process that video. Maybe sometimes it's rare that it's going to take few minutes. Usually it can take up to 20 minutes minimum. So what we are going to do is we're going to make our own custom preset. So for example, as you can see, I have my preset made, which is just called my name. So this is a preset I use whenever I'm uploading any video to YouTube, or in fact any video anywhere online. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the add destination. You can use either one of those. Once you click on add destination, a window will open up, and you can see on the right side there are multiple options to choose from. You can pick a Blu-ray, YouTube, Facebook or Vimeo. So for this video I'm not going to show you how to do the YouTube way. So it's a preset by Final Cut Pro 10. You click on the YouTube icon, it will ask you to log in with your YouTube account, and you can upload your videos directly there. However, I don't really do that. What I do is I click on the export file. So double click the export file, and you can see it comes on the left side as a new preset, and you can on the right side you can customize its settings or preferences. So what we're going to do is we're going to click in format and change it from video and audio to web hosting. Video codec, it's totally up to you what you would like to use. I just leave it to fastest encode, which is H.264. Resolution, again you can have HD, 4K, 8K, it depends what your computer can support and what project file you have open. So what I do is I leave it in HD, which is 1920 by 1080, and if I work on a project, for example this is just HD project, so I won't do that. But if there's a project I'm working on which is 4K, when I'm publishing this project I change the settings to 4K. So I will show how to do that later on. So make sure your resolution is HD or 4K, it's totally up to you. And I would say leave the open with to quick template, which is default. So once all that's done, you can rename this preset that you made by double clicking on the export file and naming it. So I'm just going to name it YouTube. Once you do that, press the return or the enter key to save the name, and you can close this window. Now to upload this or export this project, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in share icon on the top right corner, or in file share menu. In here you can see my present is there, so preset that we just made. I'm going to click on YouTube. So now it's just going to ask me if I like to save, like where I would like to save it, give me some information about the project in the bottom, and also allows me to change the settings. If you really want a quick glance of your project, you can actually scrub through it. It's a like whole life scrub. So if you just move your mouse on that image, so if you are in settings, you can see I can change the web hosting if I would like. The resolution, so here's what I was saying, you can move it to 4K. For this project you say the 4K is faded out, and that's because the project that's open right now is not a 4K project. So once you're satisfied with the options, just press next, and it's going to ask you where would you like to save the project. I'm just going to leave this project in intros and press save. So now if I go up on the top left corner, it's going to say preparing media to share, and up on the top left corner in the render menu you can see live status of your project being shared. So as you can see, that was pretty quick because it was just 11-second clip. However, it will take time if it's a longer clip. For me, it saved the file because it was a QuickTime file. We said save as QuickTime in our location, and it also opened the projects for us to view it. So that's all for this video on how to properly export in Final Cut Pro 10 for YouTube, and especially not saving all the processing time. I hope it helped, and if you have any questions, if you like to suggest any video, or you want a specific video regarding Final Cut Pro 10, how I edit or something like that, just leave a comment below. You can follow me on Twitter or Instagram. I will put the link in the description below and on your screen. Don't forget to hit that like button if you like the video. If you didn't like the video, you can press the thumbs down and subscribe if you're not already done that. Once again, thanks for watching.